Today, we will be making Christmas special plum cake, which will be moist and tender in texture, rich and spiced in flavor, along with alcohol-soaked dry fruits in it. So let's get into it.
First of all, in a bowl, take unsalted butter and powdered sugar. Before creaming it, I like to mix it a little with spatula so flour doesn't scatter on my table. Then I will churn it until mixture is creamy. Now we will add yogurt and churn it until mixture becomes smooth, light and airy.
While mixing yogurt with cream, butter and sugar, there are high chances of mixture getting split. It may happen because of difference in room temperature or overbeating the mixture. Even if your mixture gets split, you can do one thing. You can put the mixture on double boiler and add some flour in it and mix it until the mixture again gets smooth and homogeneous.
Now, in another bowl, take sieved flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, clove powder. Then use a whisk to mix all dry ingredients. Once all mixed, slowly fold it in butter sugar mixture and slowly add milk to adjust the consistency. All the measurements to this eggless recipe is mentioned in description. Now, taking out soaked dry fruits which I soaked 1 month ago. If you have not seen how to soak the dry fruits, it's not late. Check out the link in description and watch full video so you can soak dry fruits for your plum cake. Then, we will make caramel for our plum cake. It is simple caramel made with granulated sugar and small amount of water. We have to make deep dark amber color caramel so it will give a distinct intense taste to your plum cake. As soon as caramel is made, pour it over plum cake mixture, then add soaked dry fruits and some fresh orange zest. Fold it properly and take mixture in lined baking tin. Decorate it with soaked dry fruits and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes until cake is properly baked and skewer comes out clean. You can see how beautiful it looks. Let's cut slice from it, and here you can see we have dense rich texture with even distribution of nuts. I like to serve it with warm dark chocolate ganache poured over it.
Now it's time to taste it. If you want to make an egg recipe of plum cake, then read the description to get full recipe with an egg. This plum cake can be made in a loaf form and sliced, or you can make an individual portion to sell it separately. If you enjoyed today's recipe and want to level up your baking game, then hit that subscribe button and I will see you in next delicious recipe video.